Hello, my name is Sudhir and I am from Yugen Academy.
Hi, friends. Today, our topic is affirmative and negative sentences. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Sentences are of four kinds. First, a sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called a declarative or assertive sentence. Example, he is a boy. Assertion means positive statement. In these sentences, normally the construction is subject, verb, object. Now, in this example, he is a boy. Verb is. Who is a boy? He is a subject. And he is what? A boy, object. So the construction simply is subject, verb, object. He is a boy. Let us see the next one. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. What is your name? Where do you stay? In these sentences, the construction is WH word, auxiliary, subject, main verb, and other words. The next one is a sentence that expresses a command or an order is called an imperative sentence. Open your books. Close the window. In these sentences, the subject is implied. It is always you. The sentence starts with a verb and it is always in present tense. See here in this example, open your books means you open your books. So you is the subject and it is implied. And it is hidden always. And the sentence starts with a verb, open your books or close the window. And it is always in present tense. You cannot give an order either in future tense or in past tense. Let us go to the next type. A sentence that expresses strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. How big he is. In these sentences, subject and verb are normally at the end of the sentence. See in this example, how big he is. Subject is he, verb is, and they are at the end of the sentence. Now in examination, the question is asked to change from affirmative to negative or from negative to exclamatory, etc. Now let us see how to interchange them. Please see. Interchange of affirmative and negative sentences. Negative sentences are those sentences which contain words like no, not, none, nothing, never, nowhere, neither, nor, nobody, no one, etc. All these words are in bold type. Please see them. If the sentence contains words like few, hardly, scarcely, but, for, only, forget, avoid, abstain, without, etc., sentence is called affirmative. It is to be noted that while transforming one sentence to other, the meaning should not be changed. Now let us see some methods of converting affirmative to negative sentences. The first one. By using the opposite word for some important word in the original sentence, one can transform the sentence from negative to affirmative or affirmative to negative. This word can be anything like a noun, adjective, adverb, or verb. For example, that is not true. Positive will be that is false. We have removed not. Second example. Affirmative can be converted into negative by using a preposition before the noun like but, except, without, for, save, etc. Example. He is the only one who will know how to help you. No one except him will know how to help you. This is how we have converted into a negative sentence, starting with no. The third is by using none but in place of only. Example, only 3 of us won prizes. None but 3 of us won prizes. So in place of only, we have used none but. Fourth one, by using verbs like forget, fail, avoid, help, refuse, deny, and reframe in place of the affirmative verb in the original sentence. Example, Anand refused to listen to a word. Anand would not listen to a word. I fail to recall. I do not recall. Let us see some examples as under. First, he is a poor man. Affirmative, he is not a rich man. Negative, it is a difficult task. It is not an easy task. Everybody was present yesterday. Nobody was absent yesterday. She failed to notice him. She did not notice him. Geeta was unable to win the prize. Geeta could not win the prize. I dislike these things. I don't like these things. He decided to ignore the voice. He decided not to take notice of the voice. The box was empty. There was nothing in the box. He failed to understand. He could not understand. They refused to answer. They would not answer. So all these 10 examples will tell you how the affirmative sentences are converted into negative sentences by using the 4 methods which we have already discussed. Now let us see negative to affirmative sentences, how they are converted. Please see the examples. The inspector had no children. The inspector was childless. Affirmative. The police had not been able to catch them. The police had been unable to catch them. Grandpa had not followed their advice. Grandpa had ignored their advice. Don't be so wild. Stop being so wild. They did not speak out. They stayed silent. So these are some ways of converting negative sentences to affirmative sentences. Now let us see interchange of exclamatory and assertive sentences. Example, first, Sheila is a very clever girl. What a clever girl Sheila is. Please note, in exclamatory sentence, what and how mean very. In exclamatory sentences, very word is generally not used after what is used. That boy is very bold. How bold that boy is. Next is, Raju reads very slowly. How slowly Raju reads. Exclamatory. Note, if there is only very in a sentence, use how. And if there is a very, then use what. See the following examples. An elephant is a very wonderful creature. What a wonderful creature an elephant is. Just look at the words which are in bold type. A very in the first sentence, what in the second sentence. Now let us see some more examples. He draws pictures very nicely. How nicely he draws pictures. The wind was very forceful. How forceful the wind was. She was a very popular doctor. What a popular doctor she was. While converting affirmative to exclamatory sentence, please note, start the sentence by how or what. Words like very, so, exceedingly are to be removed. Replace full stop by exclamation mark. Subject and verb are moved to the end of the sentence. Now let me summarize. Negative sentences comprise words like no, not, none, nothing, never, nowhere, neither, nor, nobody, no one, etc. Negative sentences can be constructed by using opposite of any important word in assertive sentence, or by using none but or except, etc. Exclamatory sentence will comprise words like what or how, meaning very. As such, the word very is not used, and verb normally goes at the end of the sentence. So here we complete this chapter of affirmative and negative sentences. I hope you will definitely like this. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot, and have a very good learning. I would like to request you to refer my book titled English Grammar and Writing Skills, which contains complete syllables of grammar and writing skills prescribed by SSC and CBSE boards. This book is available on all prime sites. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.